So how do you hear audio messages on the iPhone? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. So whenever you receive a message through the messages, which is an audio one, you have a few options. You can obviously press on the play button and it will be played out loud through the speakers, but you can also just move your phone to your ear. You don't even have to press anything. The phone will recognize that you moved your phone to your ear and it will play it through the small speaker, right? This is for the case that you don't want to use the main speaker and let other people hear your messages, so it's a bit more of a private way of listening to it. Outside of that, of course, you have the ability to save it somehow, so you can just share it or save it to some other place and then listen through some different app, for example, the Files app, or you have the ability to save it to some other place as well. So that's how it works. If you have some other very specific questions or things you might want to ask, go ahead and let me know about that below in the comments, but I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials.